Introducing boAt Wave Pro 47 made in India smartwatch in deep blue. It is also available in active black. It has 1.69 inches HD touchscreen with 500 nits brightness and multiple Indian theme watch faces with customizable options. The HD display smartwatch with a square dial comes in a size of 26 into 5 into 1 centimeters and weighs 45 grams. The IP67 water rating makes it dust, sweat and splash resistant. Get a full battery charge in 30 minutes. The watch comes with a 24/7 heart rate and SpO2 monitor. The Wellness Crew and Fitness Buddies features keeps a tab on your overall health. It features multiple custom run plans, sports modes, daily activity tracker and live cricket scores. The smartwatch also comes with music and camera control and call, text and social media notification alerts. The box contains user manual, warranty card, charging cable and Wave Pro 47 smartwatch. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.